Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to check your Mac version. First, locate the Apple menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select the option labeled About this Mac. This action will open a new window, immediately showing you the Mac OS version currently running on your MacBook, along with other essential system information. It's a quick and easy way to get started. Beyond just the Mac OS version, the About This Mac window offers more. You'll see your specific Mac model, like MacBook Air or MacBook Pro, and details about its processor. For a deeper dive, click the System Report button. This opens a comprehensive overview of your hardware and software, including memory, storage, and graphics. It's incredibly useful for troubleshooting or understanding your machine's capabilities. Understanding the version numbers is key. Mac OS versions are often known by their names, such as Sonoma, Ventura, or Monterey. Alongside the name, you'll see a version number, like Mac OS 14.0. Each major version also has a unique build number, which provides even more specific details about the installed software. This build number helps identify minor updates and patches, ensuring you know exactly which iteration of the operating system you are running. Knowing your Mac's version is more important than you might think. It's essential for checking software compatibility before installing new applications, ensuring they will run smoothly. This information is also invaluable when troubleshooting issues or contacting technical support, as it helps them quickly understand your system. Furthermore, staying informed about your Mac OS version is crucial for receiving timely security updates and planning future operating system upgrades.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.